First we are going to Lightroom and we are going to load the image we want to edit, and then we are going to adjust the exposure, contrast and highlights and all the stuff. You can adjust the way I am doing, or you can adjust them according to your picture. Then we are going to open Picsart and load the edited image. Then we have to open the stickers option, and then you can add as many stickers you want. Then save the image, and there you have it. So yeah, that was how I edit aesthetic pictures, and here are some of my aesthetic edits. You can get it on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you find it helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.